Well, hey friends, it's about closer to the end of October here, and I'm working on the garden, doing all the things. I thought I'd show you guys kind of some updates on the green stalks. They were stacked 5 tall for a while because I had the automatic watering system in, but then I started having problems with the 5th tiers and some of the 4th tiers getting enough water, and I could run maybe some half-inch tubing so more water flow would be going, even though I had separate lines for there was just 2 of them on the line, and I was getting ready to put this 3rd one on, and I put the 3rd one on the line and just really had trouble getting the water up to the 4th and 5th tiers, even though it had its own water line starting around over here. So I decided I'll just take 1 tier off of each, and I'll just make another one over here. And I just put it on my little spinner. So I'm going to try this one over here in the shade. But it's, it's the end of summer season here. It's starting to cool off a little bit. So I thought I'd show you guys. I'm going to be harvesting, I guess, some sweet potatoes. I really just need to pull them out right now. So I pulled a few little baby ones out the other day. I'll show you. But this one, I sure take it off. And then apparently, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there are ants like crazy in here. So we're gonna let that sit and dry out some more. And I'm actually getting ready just to cut the line going here so it starts to dry out. I don't really want to let these guys die, but on the other hand, I don't know what's going on with this ant situation here. But I'm gonna clean up some of these sweet potato vines. It's starting to look a little rough anyways, and it was starting to get some molding, but the flowers were nice in the morning. So I'm going to see if I have some sweet potatoes. So I finished cleaning out the vines, and I was sweeping, and these potatoes are literally growing, I guess, into my pavers. Here, this one I think I can get out. I don't know if you heard that crack, but it's growing in my pavers. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, sorry potato. I guess I'll just leave this and let the dog sniff it out, but not eat, because raw sweet potatoes are no bueno. Apparently they're toxic for them. But I just thought that was funny. So I'll just put this over here with the ones that I found yesterday. And then I think the best thing I'm going to do is I have some of the kiddie pools that I've been working on my buckets, prepping the soil and stuff in. So I'm going to just dump some of this in there. We can already tell we're off to a good start because the roots look beautiful on here. I actually don't know if these guys, ooh, here's one. Yeah, oh, oops, scratched it. I don't actually know if these were ready to harvest, but I need to restart. So we're going to smash this layer up, and then I don't actually know if there were sweet potatoes in the lower levels, but we'll check them later. But I mostly want to see what's in this one. And the final verdict from 1 green stalked here, haphazardly planted with random potato scraps and my automatic watering drip system, we have sweet potatoes. I'm really impressed by the size this time around. Much bigger than some of the ones that I've gotten in the year past. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I only planted a few plants. I definitely didn't max it out, but there were potatoes all the way from the top to the bottom, just not all the way around because I didn't plant them all the way around because I was just, winging it. But I just wanted to show you guys the moisture level in here is really good. So that means that our watering system, that if you guys saw the tutorial, is working really well. If you haven't, check it out. There's a great tutorial on how I made my own drip watering system, as you can see some of the wires right now, but it's worked out really well for me and kept me getting my plants hydrated all summer. So now I have some sweet potatoes, which is pretty great. So I don't know how much this weighs, but they look pretty healthy. Got some big ones, but some small ones, but I'm not mad. So if you guys haven't tried growing in a green stalk, sweet potatoes grow in there, flowers grow in there, fennel grows in there. I've got strawberries over here, Lots of rosemary, some new flowers I'm doing in there. A lot of good stuff grows in here. It's just about making sure you can water it and keep up the water pressure, which is why I made the watering system. So it's automatic. All right, friends. Thanks for checking out this quick harvest. See you soon.